Hey guys, it's Melissa with Web of Creativity, and today I'm sharing my 2-page waterfall album. This one I'm using Graphic 45's Flutter paper collection. It has beautiful butterflies and flowers in it, and some dragonflies. And so I have kits and tutorials for this album on my blog. The links are below, www.webofcreativity.net. And I fussy cut a lot of these butterflies out and rolled the wings with a paintbrush and pop dotted the front. And then the background, this honeycomb background, I used just used a punch for it. And so let me go ahead and show you the inside. So these are from the paper collection, all the butterflies. And this is a pull tab waterfall. So I have a pull tab, vertical, large pocket with a double mat. Then we have the horizontal page. So nowadays when we use our cell phones, we're taking a lot more vertical pictures. So this album has both vertical and horizontal waterfall. I think it's perfect. I love the pull tabs. Works great. Now my tutorial has the pull tab version, but I also did an original version page using the Christmas collection, large pocket. But this is just an original waterfall using magnet closures. So the tutorial has this as well, along with a construction video that shows you how to make both versions of this waterfall album. And it's 2 pages because waterfall albums are heavy and cardstock. So it uses a lot of paper. If I wanted to add 1 or 2 more pages, because they're thick pages. Let me stand this up. So they're pretty thick pages. So once we get these pictures in here, this thing's going to be nice and big. But if I wanted to add more pages, I'd need a bigger spine, and I would need another paper collection because just one won't work. But the video, again, showed you how to make the pages and the album, the cover, and matting and decorating. And that's it. All the links are below, or you can jump on my website, www.webofcreativity.net. I also have a Facebook page. The link is below. Please go visit it. Please like it. It's new for me. I just started it, and I'm thinking it's going to be really great. It's easy to do little snapshots while I'm working and throw it on there so you can see kind of like little sneak peeks of what I'm working on. That's facebook.com/webofcreativity424. Again, the links are below. All right. Thank you for watching.